Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to upload a Python file to the ESP8266 board. In our previous videos, we ran code live. That meant the code was running in the RAM. So, when the device rebooted, the code was gone. Today, we are changing that. We'll upload the code so it's saved in the flash memory of the ESP8266. That way, even if the device shuts down, the program will still be there and ready to run at the next restart. Our hero for the day is AMPY. With just one command, AMPY will take the code file from the PC through the micro USB cable, negotiate with the bootloader about exactly where to store it in the flash memory, deposit the program there, and exit quietly. Job done. Here is how we proceed. Let's check if AMPY is installed. AMPY is installed. Let's check if AMPY is added to the path user variables. AMPY is there. So we're good to go. Let's check if ESP8266 is connected. Connected. Now let's write a program. Let's save the program to the desktop. Now let's upload the program. The command is ampy then port then put the program is saved to the desktop as main. Yes, the program is uploaded. Let's press reset on device. Well done. The program is running. Congratulations. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Until next time, bye.